Title: 5 Big Reasons Why People Lose Money in Forex, and 10 Real-Life Examples You Must Learn From. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that most people avoid: why so many traders lose money in Forex. The truth is, over 80% of beginner traders lose their capital in their first few months. But why? Is it the market, bad luck, or something deeper? Stay tuned, because I'm going to break it down into 5 main reasons and give you 10 real examples that could save you from making the same mistakes. Let's dive in. Reason number 1. Lack of proper education. Many people jump into Forex thinking it's a quick way to get rich. They open an account, watch a few YouTube videos, and start trading with real money, without any real education. Example 1. Juma from Kenya opened a $500 trading account after watching a 10-minute video on YouTube. He had no idea what support and resistance meant, and within 3 days, his account was gone. Example 2. Sarah from the UK thought using copy trading was enough. She copied random trades from Telegram channels. No strategy, no plan. She lost $2,000 in 1 week. Lesson: learn the basics: trends, risk management, trading psychology, technical and fundamental analysis. Knowledge is power in Forex. Reason number 2. Overleveraging. Leverage is a double-edged sword. Yes, it can multiply your profits, but it can also wipe you out. Example 3. Kevin used $1,000 leverage on a $100 account. One small move in the market, and boom, margin call. Example 4. Linda made $50 in 1 day using high leverage and got excited. She kept increasing the lot size. On the 3rd day, a sudden news event made the market spike, and she lost everything. Lesson: stick to low or moderate leverage. Never risk more than 1–2% of your account per trade. Reason number 3. Emotional trading. Fear and greed are the enemies of every trader. Once emotions take over, logic goes out the window. Example 5. James was in profit, but instead of closing his trade, he got greedy. It will go further, he said. The market reversed and turned a winning trade into a huge loss. Example 6. Maria entered a trade without a plan. It started going against her. She panicked and closed at a loss. Then immediately opened another trade to recover. She ended up losing more. Lesson: always trade with a plan. Don't chase the market or revenge trade. Stick to your strategy. Reason number 4. No risk management. Risk management is more important than winning every trade. A trader who manages risk well can be profitable even with a 50% win rate. Example 7. Ali had a $1,000 account and risked $200 on every trade. Just 5 bad trades and he was out. Example 8. Nicole used a stop loss that was too tight. She kept getting stopped out too early, then watched the market go in her direction after she was already out. Lesson: use stop losses wisely. Define your risk to reward ratio. Protect your capital first, profits will follow. Reason number 5. Following signals blindly. Many new traders buy signals from Instagram or Telegram without knowing how they work. Example 9. David paid $100 for a monthly signal group. The admin posted trades with no explanation or strategy. David lost more than $700 following those signals. Example 10. Rose followed a free signal that said, "Buy your USD now." She had no idea there was a major news release coming. The market crashed 50 pips in the opposite direction. Lesson: signals are tools, not a full solution. Learn how to analyze the market yourself. If you use signals, understand the logic behind them. Conclusion: so there you have it. 5 major reasons why most people lose money in Forex. 1. Lack of education. 2. Overleveraging. 3. Emotional trading. 4. Poor risk management. 5. Blindly following signals. And we've seen 10 real-world examples that show just how dangerous these mistakes can be. If you're serious about Forex, take your time. Learn, practice on demo, manage your risk, and stay disciplined. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment below with the mistake you've made or learned from. Until next time, trade safe, and trade smart.